morning, Indians, and welcome to another edition of Physics Friday. I got something cool here I want to show you. Alright everybody, well, so you see right here I have a little goblet and a little rock. So there's a story behind these. So a few years ago, a friend and I, we drove out to Quartzsite. And Quartzsite, it's just on the Arizona side of the border, on the 10, on the way to Phoenix. Just past Blythe. And so we were in Quartzsite and we went to the little swap meet there and went and saw all the neat stuff they had. And I bought this goblet and this rock. And you'll see that this goblet cost $37.50 and that this rock cost $15. So you might be wondering, Mr. Kirby, you're crazy. Why did you spend that much money on those? Well, there's a reason for that. Let me show it to you. So right here I have a black light, kind of like you might have had at a dance at middle school or high school, whatever. And you can see that when you bring it near the goblet glows really, really nice. And the rock, it was supposed to do the same thing. Now, but it's not really doing too much. Maybe turning a little pink, but nothing too exciting. Nothing like the goblet here, which is absolutely just glowing. I have another light right here. This actually isn't a black light. It's a UV light. And I'm going to turn it on and so not only does it make the goblet glow, it makes the rock glow as well. And you can see the rock, it's red, and then has all these other little green spots on it. As well. So, alright, so you all are probably wondering, why did this happen? How come, this black light, it was able to make the goblet glow, but it wasn't able to do too much to the rock? How come the other light right here was able to make both the goblet and the rock glow like that? What are your ideas? Well, for once, I'm going to tell you how this works. So, the black light is what's known as long wavelength UV. That means that it's relatively short, low energy, long wavelength is low energy ultraviolet light. This right here is short wavelength UV, this one right here. And so it's making higher energy light. And so it's able to get both the goblet and the rock to do what's called fluorescence. Fluorescence is when something absorbs light and then it emits lower energy light. And so the short wavelength UV is high enough energy to get both the goblet and the rock to emit visible light. But the black light does not have enough energy to get both the goblet and the rock to emit the light. It can only make the goblet. The rock, it just can't make anything happen. All right, Indians. Well, if you like what you see here, talk to your guidance counselor about taking physics next year. Have a great weekend, Indians.